Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use jump in BR rank. First, locate a jump pack in your inventory or on the ground. They appear as a small, rectangular device. Once equipped, you can activate it by pressing the designated jump ability button. This grants a sudden upward burst, allowing you to traverse short distances quickly. Think of it as a brief, powerful leap that gives you an immediate height advantage or a burst of speed across the battlefield. It is a crucial tool for quick repositioning in intense combat situations. Mastering tactical jumps can significantly improve your combat effectiveness. Try using a jump to quickly scale buildings or reach otherwise inaccessible ledges, giving you a vantage point. For example, a single well-timed jump can cover a distance of several meters horizontally, allowing you to cross open areas under fire. You can also combine a jump with a quick slide immediately after landing to maintain momentum and make yourself a harder target to hit, adding an element of surprise to your engagements. Effective jump pack usage requires careful resource management and timing. Most jump packs have a cooldown of roughly 8 seconds between uses, so avoid spamming the ability. Instead, save your jumps for escaping difficult fights, closing gaps on low-health enemies, or evading a grenade blast radius, which could be up to 5 meters. Predicting when to jump means you are less likely to get caught in the open, allowing you to consistently outmaneuver your opponents. This strategic patience helps you control the flow of engagement. While powerful, jump packs have their drawbacks, and misusing them can be detrimental. A common mistake is jumping in a straight, predictable arc, making you a simple target for snipers or assault rifle users. Instead, try to incorporate a slight sideways movement or a quick change of direction during your ascent. Furthermore, remember that your jump pack is not a shield. It provides mobility, not invulnerability, so always plan your landing spot carefully. Always combine your jumps with other defensive and offensive tactics for maximum impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.